Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my previous tutorial, you learned how to install XAMPP on your localhost. If you have not watched it yet, check the link in the description box. Today I will show you how to install WordPress locally using XAMPP step by step. First, open your XAMPP control panel. Start Apache, start MySQL. This will run your local server which is required to install WordPress. Step 2 would be create database. To create database, we need to open localhost class phpMyAdmin. Go to database, create database. Put the database name as WordPress _db. Create. Database is created. Step 3 would be download WordPress. Once again, go to wordpress.org. Click on Get WordPress. Download WordPress. Just not to take your time, I have already downloaded it. Just cut it from here. Go to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, paste it here. Now we need to extract it. This, what I will do, just rename it as now. Step 4 would be run WordPress installer. For this, go to localhost. Localhost folder name demo. The WordPress installer will start guiding you through the setup process. Just select the language. Welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items. Okay, let's go. Step 5 would be enter database information. Database name, as we have created the database named as WordPress _db. WordPress db. Username for root, localhost is root. Password is null. Leave it blank. Database host would be localhost. Table prefix would be WP_. That's okay. Click on submit. Run the installation. Finally, we will have to fill our site title, admin username, admin password, email. Just put it here, demo WordPress. Username would be admin. Let's take a weak password like admin @8890. Okay. Confirm use of weak password. That's okay. Test. Enter your email. This is search engine visibility. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. It is up to search engines to honor this request. Click the checkbox. Install WordPress. That's it for today. Your WordPress website is ready to use. You can log in it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and remember, you can check my previous video on installing XAMPP on localhost. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you.